The transformation of Disney Village is in full swing, and the months ahead promise even more excitement. After the opening of 3 brand new Disney shops last spring, the joyful return of the Lego store, and the debut of the seasonal terrace Petite Rosalie, the entire area feels filled with new energy and momentum. As you step through the heart of the destination, you can sense that change is happening all around you. Construction walls, refreshed storefronts, and newly opened spaces all hint at a bigger vision taking shape. And this is only the beginning. In this update, we take a closer look at the current projects reshaping Disney Village, along with the upcoming additions that will continue to redefine Disneyland Paris's vibrant shopping and dining center. From reimagined locations to entirely new experiences, the next chapter of Disney Village is already on its way. The long-awaited reopening of the sports bar and lounge begins on the 22nd of November, marking a brand new chapter for one of Disney Village's most iconic venues. After months of refurbishment, the location returns completely transformed, offering a fresh experience from the moment you step inside. Guests will find an expanded dining area with more seating, a redesigned terrace filled with greenery, and a contemporary interior that feels bright, modern, and full of life. The venue has also been reimagined as a vibrant sports lounge sponsored by Coca-Cola, a long-standing partner of Disneyland Paris. Blending seamlessly with the new identity of Disney Village, the sports bar and lounge brings together warm colors, subtle sport-inspired details, and a welcoming atmosphere. Inside, the walls are lined with unique artworks and memorabilia celebrating the world of sport. Multiple screens will broadcast major sporting events, while Disney fans can enjoy the giant, goofy fresco inspired by How to Play Football, along with another artwork inspired by Big Hero 6, the series decorating the façade. The terrace has been given a full makeover as well. Bathed in natural light thanks to a large glass roof and new lighting, the space mixes brick, wood, and metal to create an elegant, plant-filled setting. The repositioned main counter now acts as a true outdoor extension of the lounge, offering the perfect spot to gather with friends and watch live sports on the giant screen. The menu itself has been completely reimagined, offering more variety throughout the entire day. From breakfast options to hearty plated dishes, gourmet sharing snacks, and extra-large creations designed for groups, there's something for every appetite. Many dishes are inspired by different sports, adding an extra layer of storytelling to the dining experience. To complement the new food offering, the drinks menu features a broad selection of craft beers and ciders on tap, exclusive cocktails both alcoholic and non-alcoholic, and larger drinks designed to share together. They help create a lively, immersive atmosphere that brings the entire venue to life. Coming soon to Disney Village is Pelé Soccer, a brand new boutique celebrating the legacy of the legendary Brazilian football icon. Located just behind the sports bar and lounge, this will be the brand's first store in Europe. Joining its locations in Florida and California, guests can look forward to exclusive football shirts, accessories, vintage-inspired items, and more. Construction begins soon, bringing another exciting addition to the evolving Disney Village. Disney Village's transformation continues with several major projects developed alongside world-renowned partners. One of the biggest additions will be the new McDonald's, opening in early 2026, designed exclusively for Disneyland Paris. It will become the largest McDonald's in France. Located beside the current 1999 restaurant, this new flagship will feature bright, plant-filled spaces, playful nods to Disneyland Paris, and both indoor and outdoor seating. Families can expect a welcoming atmosphere, modern services, and plenty of surprises when it opens. Construction is also progressing on Casa Giulia, a brand new Italian restaurant operated by Bertrand Hospitality Set. To open at the end of 2026, it will offer a warm, family-friendly environment across 2 floors, serving generous Italian classics made with seasonal ingredients. A Julia Express counter will provide quick service options, including pizzas by the slice, focaccias, and Italian pastries. Meanwhile, Disneyland Paris and the Pathé Group have renewed their partnership, ensuring the continued operation of the cinema at Disney Village for years to come. As the year comes to an end, guests have one last chance to enjoy two Disney Village classics before they temporarily close for renovation in January 2026. Starting 5th January, Annette's Diner will begin a major refurbishment lasting several months. The project will enlarge the kitchens and fully refresh the dining room, from floors to furniture, while preserving the beloved retro charm that has defined the restaurant since 1992. When it reopens, Annette's will once again celebrate the golden age of rock and roll and the spirit of the 1950s. The Disney Store is also set for a complete transformation. In 2026, it will reopen as Disney Wonders, a bright, modern retail space designed to immerse guests directly into their favorite Disney stories through themed areas. Each season will bring new surprises, creating a fresh and evolving shopping experience. Beyond these major updates, the wider transformation of Disney Village continues. Renovations to facades, walkways, signage, and landscaped areas are ongoing. A new reception and security booth has already opened near Brasserie Rosalie for guests arriving from the Disney hotels, and another will open early in 2026 between Annette's Diner and the TGV Station Esplanade. That wraps up today's construction updates and news about Disneyland Paris. If you want to keep up with all the latest progress and announcements, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Like the video if you enjoyed it, and share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next update.